Retirement at 65 is a scam, and here's what you should do instead. Think about this for a quick second. You work your whole life, give your best years to a job, follow the rules, save as much as you can, and then at 65, you're finally allowed to retire. Does that sound like freedom to you? Here's the real problem. Most people are following an outdated playbook that was written for a completely different world. A world where people only live to around 70 and could actually survive on a pension or some savings. But times have changed. Life expectancy is longer, inflation is killing savings, and the traditional retirement model is leaving people broke and stressed. The truth is, retirement at 65 is a scam, and wealthy people, they know it. They don't retire, they recalibrate. Today, I'm breaking down why the retirement model is broken, how wealthy people are building generational wealth instead, and the exact steps you can take to never worry about retirement again. Let's get into it. Here's where the whole retirement concept came from. Back in the 1950s, people worked a factory job, paid into a pension, and retired at 65. Back then, they were lucky if they lived another 5 to 10 years. It made sense because people didn't live long enough to outlast their savings, but fast forward today, people are living well into their 80s and 90s. Inflation keeps eating away at savings, healthcare costs are sky high, and pensions, they're pretty much a thing of the past. Just think about it. If you save up $1 million by the time you retire, that sounds good on paper, right? But if inflation averages just 3% a year, that money loses about half its value in 20 years. And guess what? Inflation over the last few years has been way higher than that. Your money is shrinking while your expenses are going up. And that's even if you hit that $1 million mark. Most people don't. The average retirement savings for people nearing 65 in the US is less than $200,000. That's not enough to last 2 decades of retirement, let alone provide a comfortable lifestyle. So why are we still trying to play this broken game? Because society drilled into us that retirement is the finish line, work hard, save, and then just exist. But that doesn't work anymore. And wealthy people, they figured out that a long time ago. You wanna know what wealthy people do? They don't retire, they recalibrate. They never stop building, creating, and investing. Instead of working themselves into the ground for 40 years, they build systems that work for them. It's not about hustling until you drop. It's about shifting how you earn and letting your wealth keep growing no matter your age. They're not counting down the days to quit working because their work is tied to passion, impact, and legacy, not survival. Look at successful entrepreneurs and business owners in their 70s and 80s. They're not checking out. They're not doubling down because they built something that doesn't depend on them grinding every single day. It's a mindset shift. You don't stop because you're tired. You shift gears because you built something sustainable. Let me break down the 3 things wealthy people do differently. Number 1, they build systems, not savings. The average person spends decades saving for the future that may never come. But wealthy people spend their time building systems that generate cash flow, even when they're not working. They build businesses that don't require them to be present at all times. They invest in assets that keep them paying, like real estate, dividends, or automated businesses. A business funding company is a perfect example. Once you set it up with automations, client acquisition, and a reliable team, it can generate consistent income without constant attention. You're not working harder, you're working smarter. And that means your money works even when you're not. Number 2, they leverage other people's money, OPM. Here's something a lot of people don't get. Wealthy people don't just use their own money to build wealth. They use other people's money. They take advantage of business credit, low interest loans, and strategic partnerships. They understand it's not just about how much you have, it's about how you use what's available. Instead of draining their savings, they use business credit cards at 0% interest to invest in income generating opportunities. If they want to buy property or expand a business, they don't pull from their savings. They leverage a business line of credit or a low interest loan. And the crazy part about it is they make sure that whatever they're investing in brings in more than what it costs to borrow it. That's how you turn debt into wealth. Number 3, they automate legacy. Imagine building a business that pays you even when you're not there. That's how wealthy people think. They use systems like CRMs to automate client onboarding, communication, and sales processes. They train their team to handle day-to-day operations so they can focus on strategy, partnerships, and scaling. And when they step away, the money doesn't stop. It's all about building something that lives beyond you. Let me share a story. Lisa was a small business owner running a food truck. She had the drive, the passion, but no funding to take their business to the next level. Instead of giving up, she learned how to access alternative lending. She secured $47,000 to open a brick and mortar restaurant. Now her business generates enough income not only to cover her living expenses, but also fund her future projects. She didn't save her way to security. She leveraged what she had and built something that pays her back. And that's the difference. Lisa not planning to retire because her business runs without her constantly grinding. That's recalibration, not retirement. Here's how you can make the same shift. Number one, stop thinking about quitting. Instead of aiming for a day when you never work again, focus on building something that doesn't require your constant effort. Your goal shouldn't be to stop working. Your goal should be to work less while making more. Number two, build a low-risk, high-reward business. Start a business that leverages automation, client acquisition systems. A business-funded company is perfect because once you build your network and automate client acquisition, it runs itself. Your income becomes predictable and scalable. Invest in assets that pay you. Use business credit to invest in cash flowing assets, not liabilities. Whether it's real estate, dividend stocks, or automated businesses, make sure your money works harder than you do. This is how wealthy people protect their lifestyle no matter what the economy does. Stop settling for the retirement scam. Don't aim to quit at 65. Aim to build something that pays you no matter your age. Wealthy people don't retire because they never see their work as a grind. They see it as a way to build freedom and legacy. It's time to rethink what retirement really means. Stop planning to stop. Start building a system that never quits on you. Make sure to hit the subscribe for more content on building wealth, automating your income, and living life on your terms. Let's change the way we think about retirement and start building real generational wealth.